Today's video, I'm going to show you how to jump start your Mercedes Sprinter van. Open up the door, and down here is the hood release latch. Just pull that, and that will release your hood right there. Then you can pull the secondary latch, which is right here. Just flick that, pull that up, and then there's a hood prop rod over here. Just take that off, stick it down in there, and let it kind of clamp in. And then under the hood you'll have your jump point right here, your positive jump point. You just push that back and turn it, and that reveals the metal part that you can clamp to for the positive connection. And then your negative connection is this little brass tab bolt thing that sticks off of the fender there. And if you can't get it by hooking up to those, just go directly to the battery if you have to. It's in the NOCO GB150 jump box. Like I said, just push that in and back, and then you can clamp it. It's going to take two hands. You want it to be nice and tight onto the connection like that is. And then take your negative, stretch it out a little bit and get it over here. So that point right there. And then you should be able to test the battery. If you got one of these jump boxes, it's showing 5 volts. We need 12 volts to have a good battery, so it's definitely a dead battery issue. Now we can start it up. There you go. Pretty simple and easy. Just turn your box off, disconnect everything, good to go. And like I said, if it's really stubborn, just go directly to the battery. There you go. That's how to jump start them. Pretty simple and easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you out. See you on the next one. Bye.